It's really important to keep the condenser clean and free of dust. To keep this condenser clean, open the machine and remove the condenser cover. You do this by undoing the 8 screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. When all the screws are removed, take the condenser cover off like this. Now, just using an everyday dustpan and brush, brush the condenser grill as shown. Remove all dust as necessary. When clean, put the cover back on and replace the screws. Keeping the condenser clean is really important. It will keep the machine running at maximum efficiency.